Okay, so I'm on the main Google page. I'm gonna go to my Google Drive. I'm gonna click New. Go to Google Docs and click Blank Document. And first, we want to title the document just to be organized and know what is what. And then you're gonna go to Insert, Drawing, New. Okay, and since I'm a kinesiology major and I plan to be a physical therapist, I'm going to draw. Oh, wait, first of all, you have to go right here and press scribble. And then, like I was saying, I'm gonna draw a weight that you would use to exercise your arms. Not the best artist in the world, but I'm trying. Okay, so that would be like a weight that you would use to exercise your arm muscles. And usually I use like a 10-pound weight, and like a lot of patients use weights to exercise out their muscles or whatever injury they have that may be related to the arm. So I'm also going to draw a arm because this is what is used to use this equipment. What just happened? Okay, so I kind of messed that up, but it's an arm. It's a scary kind of like an arm, but it is an arm. And yeah. Okay, so we save and close, and you can see my picture, and then I'm going to go back to Insert and go back to Drawing. I'm going to click New again, and then we're going to go to Text Box. Okay, let's move the text box this way. Okay. I'm gonna write my name right there, and then we're gonna go back to Scribble, and I'm gonna sign my signature. Whoa. Okay, and there it is. My picture, my name typed and signed.